You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. If you want to learn more confusing names from geography and languages, stay tuned. I've got more confusing videos for you, more pronunciations. Frisian, that's your English pronunciation here. Let's break it down. Free, short E sound, and then jeune, alright, a j sound, alright. It's not Frisian. It's anything that relates to Frisia, relating to Frisia or the Frisian people, Frisian language. Frisian. Frisian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.